Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
What we have here is I have a cashew. These are roasted cashews. Nothing on them. And I also have honey roasted. These are the home roasted cashews. Somebody wrote in, they said they would like to see what nuts look like.
What do you mean by home roasted? You roasted them?
I roasted these myself.
So they were raw before, and how did you roast them? You put them in the oven?
You could do that. I use the air fryer. So this is a cashew. I think it's kind of interesting. It's like the butt of the cashew.
Oh, yeah.
What I could do is...
Oh, yeah, cut that. Oh, cut it open. Yeah, that sounds cool.
You got it.
Okay. Go.
Just pan down. Oh, that wasn't much. Here's the cross section of the cashew.
Look at that. You know, cashews come from a fruit. A cashew apple.
Have you ever eaten one?
No, I haven't.
I wonder if you can eat the cashew apple.
You can. It's very tart, I've heard.
Huh. Well, the nut they make is very good.
Yes. Now, that was a regular cashew that he roasted himself.
This is a store-bought.
This is store-bought
Honey roasted.
This is honey roasted. And as you can see, it's got all kinds of flavor
Ooh, it's
crystals on it. So is that sugar?
It's got to be sugar, right?
But so it's not just honey. There's sugar on there too, huh? Yeah.
Cashews, sugar, peanut and or canola oil, cottonseed oil, honey, modified potato starch, salt, xanthan gum.
Yeah. All kinds of junk in there.
Well, that's okay. That's kind of... There you go.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next week.
And we'll cashew next week.
Pretty good, Brent.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.